happening in this video, or where are you going?
Going back on record. 12:37 hours of contact, two gentlemen recording. Here you go, Mr. Waller.
Is that the same thing you gave him?
Yep. It should be 7 different documents there.
Okay. So why are they trespassing me then?
Because you cannot record in here. There's only certain areas you have to have court permission, and unless you're here to do something, but even if you go in there, you can't record in there, even on official business.
What's the mystery? What's the mystery here?
I have the right to film my government officials in the course of their duties. There's case law now. In public accessible building.
I'm not saying that's not true, but this is a specific.
You're not saying it's not true, then why do you
Because this is, you can't, not everything's all apples and, no, not everything's the same.
The thing is the order that is given here.
So I'm asking you to turn it off. They want you both to leave. I don't even know who you are. They want both of you to leave. If you don't leave, they want you to. Well, this is. You were here earlier.
Correct.
He's not even filming.
Are you here on official business?
Oh yes, I'm gonna get everybody saying I'm gonna walk out of here with a big bag of paper like this big, and then we're gonna expose the territory.
All right. So you can't be recording here. Unless you're doing something, you got to turn it off and leave. Are you going to leave?
If I don't,
Then you're getting arrested for trespass because you've been trespassed.
Land trespass.
I'm starting with him right now. Yeah, I mean that's yeah.
Okay. So if I don't leave, you're gonna arrest me.
Yeah, you've been trespassed.
Okay, cool. Awesome. That's what I mean. Wow. You gonna walk behind me and walk me out, okay? You wanna hold my hand? Piece of shit.
Going off for 40 hours.
Okay, so that was your contact with him back in November. Now moving on to State's Exhibit 3.
You want? Yeah.
This is going to be real quick. He's gotten no hands on. I don't think he does think he has paperwork down.
Court stuff, you can stay, right?
But he can't record.
So what's happening in this one, or what point are you at in this particular video?
This is, we're looking to see if we can tell if Mr. Lawler is actively recording.
Okay, and so is he inside the clerk's office, that
Yes.
room to the right? Okay.
Yeah, that's the clerk's office there with Lawler.
I don't know if he was recording. The camera's on him. Just, yeah. I want to go.
And just to be clear, this is after you were notified that he was indeed recording, correct? Is that what
No,
prompted
this
you
was-
guys to
This
come
was
up here?
before.
Okay,
someone had notified us that he was here. I don't think they said he was recording.
Okay,
And I could see the GoPro camera, but, we don't know, I didn't know if it was turned off or.
sure.
I guess the ladies will tell us if he, I don't know if he had it turned on. I know it's actually turned on, it's turned on.
When you say ladies, are you referring to court staff?
Pardon?
When you say ladies, when you were saying, I guess the ladies will tell us if it was turned on, is that
Correct.
the court
Court
clerk,
staff.
court staff? Okay, and then once this stops recording, what happens next, or what do you do next?
I believe I go back to my office and then we're notified that he was recording.
Okay, then you got confirmation from court staff that he was indeed recording
Yes.
inside the clerk's office, okay. And then is this after you get notification? That's where your body cam starts again?
Yes.
Okay.
So commenting about him. So now how we, if we 1080, which way do you want to go? Because that, you gotta turn that off.
And is this the phone that you were referencing in your prior testimony?
Yes.
Why? If you don't, you're getting trespassed.
I'm doing official business.
You cannot video.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're video recording, we told you before, Mr. Lawler. A lot of that organized government officials. He tried to tell you before that you can't record. He's trying to be. Okay? Should be,
So is all that taken care of now? Okay, thank you. Okay, you want to email me or mail it to me? Okay, thank you.
okay. Paul. What are you guys doing for?
Trespassing.
You have to do your reading first.
Yeah, I just told you, you want to turn it off.
Where are you going to go?
Yeah. Go to the access center.
Here. We'll stop recording.
You wanna go out? I guess I'll put him in my vehicle, or you don't come later, or
You put somebody in the sergeant. Who told you to arrest me?
we've told you before, when you're in here, you can't record.
Well, I have the right to record my interaction.
No,
I didn't know. Documented. You know who I am. I'm a journalist. I'm doing a story on the arrest I got. And the poor people were.
no, that doesn't count.
Dude, I'm not here to hurt anybody.
I never said you were, Mr.
So why
Lawler.
am I being arrested?
I told you, for trespassing. You cannot, you are the official business, but you can't record. You've been told that numerous times.
Well, so you say I'm permanently trespassed from the courthouse, or like I'm sorry, I'm just confused. I don't understand.
I'm not answering any of your questions. Should you want me to, I can take them in my vehicle.
Okay. You want to go in?
Yeah, that's fine.
You want me to break her outside?
It don't matter. How's the Sally Port? There's a slick. Okay. Let me just grab my, let me get the vehicle keys.
And Judge, just for time constraints, I don't think I need to play anything further as far as relevancy. I'm submitting the entire thing to the court. The court can review the last 10 minutes, basically just the transport and the arrest. Unless the defense attorney thinks we need to play it.
I've seen the video, we said it was.
Okay.
Alright. We've been going about an hour. We were only slated for 2. I do have time after this if we need to go. I just want to make sure the parties don't have a hard stop at 2.
I'm fine. And I'm done with questions as well with this witness.
Okay.
I don't have a hard stop, but.
Okay. I just want to make sure we have time to finish today. I'm gonna take a short comfort break, since we've been going about an hour, and then we'll come back and we'll do the trial.